Hey guys, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have this Marvel Avengers Age of Ultron Iron Man Arc FX armor right here. So here we go with our very first Iron Man armor merch right here on our channel. This is from the Avengers Age of Ultron. So again guys, this is the Marvel Avengers Age of Ultron Iron Man Arc FX armor right here. So as you can see, there are two Iron Man armor hands on the box right there, and of course Iron Man's right there. So this one is for ages 5 and up, and there's the Avengers logo initiative right there, and this one operates on a 1.5 volts AAA battery right there. Of course there's the Iron Man logo and our Hasbro branding on the side. So there's the Avengers on the side of the box right there.
Perfect.
So on the back, this is what we get: a picture of a kid using our item right here, and some instructions on how to use the Iron Man Arc FX armor hands right here. So as I can imagine, there will be lights and sounds on our item today. So let us continue with our unboxing. So there you go guys, with our Iron Man hands right here.
Perfect.
This is what we got from the box, as well as this user manual right here. So let us remove that from its packaging right here. So that is our Iron Man hands right there guys. And these are not made from hard plastic. This is like a soft glove right here, you can touch right there. And this one is plastic, yes, on the palm of the hands. So you can really wear it on your hands right here. That is how it looks like on this side, and I believe this is where you put in the battery right here, so that you have screws in there and the on and off switch right there. So on the opposite side, this is how it looks like. It's really soft with a gold accent right there. Of course, that's the Iron Man trend, right? And on the thumb right there. So for the other hand right here, it does not have a thick plastic circle on the palm right here. It also does not have a battery compartment right here, but still the same color, right? So only the other hand is electronic. This is pure rubber right here.
Perfect.
Of course, that's also how it looks like on the opposite side, with the gold accents in here and on the thumbs right there. So that's how it looks when you put it on your hands right there. Wow, cool. It's like Iron Man all of a sudden, huh? Nice. So if you wanted to see the battery compartment right here on the, well, technically right hand of our Iron Man armor right here, all you need to do is remove that one Phillips screw right there. So as you can see, there's our AAA battery right here. So that is our battery compartment right there. So as I mentioned earlier, you just need one to power up our Iron Man hand right there. I tried to fit my hands to this Iron Man Armor FX hand right here. CFC, I am a bit successful at it. So let's go through the features of our Arc FX hand right here. So focus on the switch right here. So if it's off, of course nothing will be happening right here. But if you switch this one to the middle, as you see, that's the try me face of the switch. So just click it to the middle right there.
Perfect.
You can now try and press our plastic circle right here on the palm of Iron Man's hands to see the pulsar light, and if the armor hands works, so you just press here.
Perfect.
So you see that there's lights and sounds from here, right? That's about all you can do. If it's on the try me position in terms of the switch, you can do that. Now if we turn this on to full mode right here, turn this on right there.
Perfect.
And apparently this one is motion activated. So from a resting position, if we move our Iron Man hand from a resting position to 45 degrees up, this is what should happen right here. See? It activates the Iron Man armor hands right here. And if we twist our hands as if we were about to fire right here, this is what happens.
Perfect.
So there you go, guys. This was a lot of fun to play with. This could be a great time for your kids to, use in role playing.
Perfect.
Maybe with a matching Iron Man helmet, right? Wow, yeah. Maybe we need to get that on the channel too, right? But this was really a good way to have some fun in terms of feeling like you're Iron Man. And this is really motion activated. It really works when you wave your hand like Iron Man does on the movies, right? And as you can see, I have worn them both right here. So there you go, guys. I really like playing with it right here. Hope you like this one today, and please don't forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, Iron Man says, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.